Hello, it's James here, the founder of Kimbley IT. Thank you for joining me on this webinar about G Suite and Google Cloud. So let's start. Aren't we all chasing the same thing, the elusive ability to move at maximum velocity, the ability to make decisions fast, the ability to build consensus quickly, the ability to align to a common set of goals? The disruptors are way ahead of this disrupted in how to work better together, how to drive consensus, how to leverage the digital world to achieve better, faster results. Here at Kimbley IT, we think G Suite helps companies unlock these and achieve maximum velocity. So let's see how this happens. On the left-hand side, we see a sailboat moving slowly with a group of people watching a single captain steer the ship. This is how typical teams and companies have worked for over the past 10 plus years. On the right-hand side of this picture, you'll see a team of people working together with the hydrofoil and collaborating as one to achieve maximum velocity towards their objective. This is a lot like how G Suite works for business. So this is the model we've been trained to use over the last 30 years, and it's still the way most of us work. You go to your PC, launch your word processor and start a new document. Then you send it to some people by email or maybe through a file server. Everyone uses, track changes, and it saves a version 1.52b something or other. Then they send it back to you and you're left consolidating multiple versions. When you're finished with round one, you have to start the whole process again. This process is slow and not very engaging. Connecting people together is the catalyst for change in organisations. So that's what G Suite really does very, very well. Because an idea in the mind of one may be good, but it becomes a game changer when a teammate runs with it, when someone else punches a hole in it, when R&D pushes it further, when global sales monetize it, when marketing names it, when an idea takes off on a life of its own, you know you have something special. That's how businesses operate when they are connected. Slashing silos, bringing people together, and accelerating sharing, so no idea gets left in the margins ever again. So G Suite is definitely a better way for you to work, create and reason together. It's because it's a connected experience. What does a connected experience look like? Well, it looks like this. You've got collaboration, where people can work together in real time from whatever device they're on. They can make decisions faster because they can reach a consensus faster. You've got virtual meetings, people having face-to-face conversations with co-workers, able to see the expressions and reactions to ideas through Google Hangouts and video calls with Google Hangouts Meets. You've got Google Drive, and that's a single place for all your stuff to be stored that your team creates. There's no more dealing with lots of versions, it's one source of truth and it's always up to date. And it's powered by Google Search, so it's really easy to find your documents in Google Drive. You've then got security, and that's allowing you to extend your ecosystem to an outside contractor as they need access to it, and then just as easily pulling back access when the project is over. So projects can now work a lot faster and can be completed a lot faster with the collaboration tools you had that I spoke about on the previous slide. Collaboration makes your business stronger, more productive and more innovative. When a project can be finished in weeks instead of months because the team can make faster decisions, that's a big deal. You stay ahead of your competition. Additionally, with G Suite, artificial intelligence has been added into the tools to make collaboration simpler and more efficient. For example, the average person spends over 300 minutes every month on activities related to scheduling and rescheduling meetings. With Google Calendar, you have a feature called Find a Time. This is where AI will look through everyone that you've invited to a meeting, their calendars, and find a slot where everyone is free and book that up for you. In Gmail, you've got Smart Replies, where it will suggest 3 quick replies that you can send back to an email, and soon it will start composing and auto-suggesting as you're writing an email of what you should put in next. You've got Explore and Sheets, which is allowing you to build charts and bar charts and do very complex data lookups on your spreadsheet without even needing to know the formulas to do this. And then you've also got voice typing. So voice typing in Docs, you can just talk to Google Docs and it will type out what you're saying, saving you lots and lots of time. So when your tools become smarter for everyone, it's more efficient, productive and a happier place to work, and happier, your employees are happier with the tools they're using. And with G Suite, you can integrate your work and life together. You could replace an afternoon meeting for hangout and therefore not miss dinner with your family. You could have a hangout in the morning or go to work later because you can work from home, miss the commute in the morning, miss that hour and a half that you're stuck in traffic, and go into the office when you need to. Hey, you don't even need an office, to be honest. You could, your employees can work from anywhere because it's so integrated and you can instantly communicate with each other. It's over 3 million paying businesses using G Suite, and here are some of the key benefits that they experience. So empowering and connecting people, effortless way to share ideas, it's scalable, really powerful. There's smart apps that help you get back to what matters, as I was talking with the AI. You've got in-depth security, so it's really, really secured with two-step verification and a hell of a lot of other stuff that goes on in the background. And it's really simple to secure your devices, so you've got full-on device management for your mobile phones. So if we were to summarise, there's 3 things that differentiate G Suite. Every one of G Suite's products is designed for team engagement and effortless real-time collaboration. The infrastructure that it runs on is modern, scalable, and with high performance. And that power, same basically same stuff that powers, I'll get my words out in a second, the same stuff that powers Google Search, YouTube and Android, that's powering G Suite, so it's incredibly powerful. And there's a lot of investment going into machine learning, so that can help to look beyond productivity to smart business apps that help you get stuff done. You're already seeing it with the automated email replies, the smart suggestions for meeting times and the automated chart suggestions, and that's just the start. So that was a quick overview of G Suite and some of the key parts of it. We'd love to help your business move to G Suite, especially if you're on Microsoft Office 365, move you off that, get you onto a modern AI powered email, calendar, document creation and storage system, and it's going to massively improve your productivity. You're not going to have any issues. It's going to kill your support problems that you're having with say Office 365. G Suite just does not stop working. It just works brilliantly. It has hardly no downtime. You can go and have a look on the G Suite service status page, just search for that in Google and you'll see there's no downtime on that at all. So yeah, get in contact with us. We'd love to help your business.